What is up, everyone? Welcome back to another episode of Running with Rob. Today I'm going to show y'all how I make my protein brownie batter. Now, just so you know, I am calling it brownie batter because it has the consistency of brownie batter, but don't cook it. You're supposed to eat it raw. And all the things here you should be able to find in your pantry or whatever. Pretty basic stuff. The only thing I can think of is the protein powder, which is right here. I'm using chocolate peanut butter whey protein. So let's get into this. Just get a bowl, right? Step 2, get 1 scoop of your whey protein, just the serving size that it recommends, right? And there aren't going to be a ton of measurements for this, so just gonna kind of have to eyeball it. All right, so there's, I guess, the base. Enough that there's your protein. That makes it protein brownie batter. Now you're gonna get your cocoa. Just don't put a ton, but just like don't make it bitter, but you know, like again, kind of try to eyeball it. So you got your protein right now and some cocoa powder. I think that's 2 teaspoons. I eyeballed it, but you know, whatever. So now we just added bitter cocoa. We're gonna add a spoonful of just sugar, right? And then you're just gonna stir that up real good. Mix everything. Alright, it should be pretty mixed up pretty well. Now we're gonna add the milk, right? So I have vanilla almond milk that'll make it a bit more sweet. So you kind of have to start with just a little bit and mix it up. You're really going for a brownie consistency here. So you only want to put a little bit in at a time, mix it up until you get to the consistency you want. So that was definitely not enough. So I'm gonna put some more in. Should be pretty close. Just keep mixing that up. I can smell that cocoa at this point. You can kind of see how it's getting to that brownie batter consistency. I think we might need a bit more milk. That should be all we need. That actually might be a tad too much, but I don't know. There's still quite a bit of dry powder in this. I'm gonna put y'all down for a sec so I can get a good mixing. Alright, got it all mixed up. Now, the final step, we're gonna put some peanut butter in it. This is crunchy. I prefer using creamy peanut butter or just regular peanut butter, but this is all we had, so gonna have some crunchy protein brownie batter. So I'm gonna put that in real quick. Then, and you can really put as much as you want. If you really like peanuts, you know, go all in, put a ton in. If you don't like it as much, just you don't even have to put it in. I just like it because it thickens it up and it makes it sweeter. Yeah, I'm gonna mix this. I'm gonna put y'all down for a sec. And here's the final product. You can See, it definitely looks like brownie batter. Again, don't put it in the oven. That's not what this is made for. It's supposed to be eaten raw. And yeah, you can refrigerate it to make it chilly. That's what I'm gonna do. I'm awesome, and I think this would probably not be bad. Like if you microwaved it and put it over like ice cream, that'd probably be really good. But yeah, so just do what you want with it. Play around with it. That's what I did. I came up with this all by myself and just kind of wanted to share it. And yeah. Thank you all for watching this video. If you want more content like this, make sure to smash the like button. And tell me what y'all want to see me do down in the comments down below. And make sure to subscribe. See y'all later.